supportive of our youngsters.
Wadhi e tuke mag golf, tuke golf mag rowere moyuayo jotugo 120 mowuok e pinje mopogore opogore obagi e pachoka. Tugo mochakore odiochieng' ma kawuono e alap tuke ma Windsor. Tukego oyuayo jotugo mowuok e pinje kaka Kenya, Argentina, Austria, Belgium, China, Ghana, India, South Africa, Tanzania, Uganda kod Zimbabwe. Jotugo ma hikgi ok ng'eny 18 biro laro osimbo e kidienje mopogore opogore. Tukego chiwo thuolo ne jotugogo piago lony maggi kendo yudo thuolo e tuke mibiro bagi kind tarik 1 dwe mar adek higa manyien nyaka tarik 28 dwe mar ariyo higa mar 2025.
Excited for the tournament because I'm playing for Kenya and because I'm playing with one of my competitors that I really want to beat. So I think I might come first because I have a lot of competitors that I will be challenging. So let's hope I have a good game tomorrow and we finish off well with a good score.
My name is Niam. I'm playing for Kenya. And my expectations is I might come second place. Yeah, because I have a competitor that I really want to beat, so my target is him.
My name is Tanaka Chatura. I'm from Zimbabwe, and I play off a +1 handicap. There's definitely going to be competition, but that comes with golf. There's always going to be competition, and I think just blocking out the competition and playing your own game is very important for golf.